Craft a 3-in-1 travel stove, a practical survival solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be sharing a practical survival solution on how to craft a 3-in-1 travel stove. Imagine being deep in the wilderness with no stove, a chilling breeze, and limited resources. This is where a homemade 3-in-1 travel stove comes to the rescue. Lightweight, easy to craft, and incredibly useful, this DIY stove will elevate your camping game and survival readiness. With the ability to cook meals, provide warmth, and purify water, this multifunctional stove is a must-have for any camping enthusiast. If you love practical tools and staying prepared, stick around to learn how you can build one using just a few tools and effort. Before we dive into the steps, gather these items. Most are likely already at home. You'll need an empty metal can, like from soup or coffee, a can opener, tin snips or sturdy scissors, heat-resistant gloves, a small metal grate, sandpaper or a file, matches or a fire starter. These simple materials form the foundation of a stove that's budget-friendly, customizable, and designed for versatile use. Start by carefully cutting a door-like opening near the bottom of your metal can. This opening will allow airflow and act as a feeding space for small sticks or fuel. Make the cut with tin snips, ensuring the edges are smooth with a file or sandpaper. Next, make ventilation holes on the sides near the bottom of the can. This promotes efficient airflow for a longer, hotter burn. Add a couple more holes near the top to control smoke release. In just minutes, you've shaped the stove's basic framework. To turn your stove into a functional cooking device, install your small metal grate. Place it snugly near the top edge of the can, just below the highest ventilation holes. This acts as a sturdy platform for cookware, whether you're boiling water or frying up a trail-side meal. Make sure the grate is stable and secure. It's better to check now than risk a spill later. Once this step is done, your stove is already ready to tackle the camping culinary feats awaiting you. Beyond cooking, this 3-in-1 stove provides warmth on chilly nights. Simply light dry sticks and let radiant heat warm your campsite. Be cautious with fire safety. Always use the stove in a clear, open area. For water purification, boil collected water directly over the stove. This ensures any bacteria gets neutralized, keeping you hydrated and healthy throughout your adventure. It's a compact solution to wilderness challenges. Bring dry tinder or fire starters for easier ignition in damp conditions. Use small sticks or compressed fuel tablets for a clean, efficient burn. Extinguish all embers after use to avoid accidents. Your safety comes first. Always pack gloves to move or adjust the stove's position safely. These small steps enhance your camping experience while ensuring the stove functions optimally. That's it. You've just created a practical 3-in-1 stove tailored for outdoor survival. Compact, versatile, and easy to use, this DIY project empowers you to cook, stay warm, and purify water on any adventure. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with fellow explorers. We'd love to see your finished stove, so tag us online or leave a comment below. Now gear up and head into the wild. Your adventure awaits.